Hi everyone! Today we're making English tenses simple and clear. We'll cover 5 basic tenses with easy examples, and Turkish translations on screen for each. Ready? Let's get started and make English tenses your superpower. First up, the present simple. Use it for facts and routines, things that happen regularly. Example, the sun rises in the east, or I drink coffee every morning. For he, she, it adds. I work, she works. Here's a sample. She reads a book every night. Watch for the Turkish translation on screen. That's present simple, easy and essential. Now let's dive into the present continuous tense, a key part of English grammar that helps us talk about what's happening right now, at this very moment. This tense is also called the present progressive, and it's used to describe actions that are currently in progress, or things that are happening as we speak. It's one of the most useful tenses for everyday conversation. We use the present continuous for actions that are taking place right now, such as, I am reading, she is typing, or they are studying. If you look around, you'll notice people doing many things at this very moment, and this tense helps you describe all of those actions. For example, if someone asks you, what are you doing? You can answer, I am watching a video, or I am learning English. This tense is perfect for talking about what you or others are doing right now, making your conversations more dynamic and immediate. The structure is simple. Subject plus am, is, or are followed by the verb with aning ending. For example, I am eating, he is running, or we are studying. This formula helps you build sentences easily and correctly. Here's an example. They are playing football in the park. This means the action, playing football, is happening right now, not yesterday or tomorrow, but at this very moment. We also use the present continuous for things that are temporary or in progress, like, she is painting her room this week, or I am working at a cafe today. These actions might not last forever, but they're happening around now. Always remember, the ing ending is the key sign that the action is ongoing. It shows that something is happening right now or around this time. You can see the Turkish translation on the screen. That's how we use the present continuous tense in English. Simple, useful, and perfect for describing what's happening right now. Let's dive into the past. Simple tense, a fundamental part of English grammar that helps us talk about actions or events that are completely finished and took place at a specific time in the past. This tense is essential for sharing stories, describing experiences, and talking about things that happened before now. Think about moments like yesterday, last week, or even years ago, any time when something started and ended in the past. The past simple is your go-to tense for these situations, whether you're talking about a single event or a series of completed actions. For regular verbs, forming the past simple is easy. Just add ed to the base form. For example, walk becomes walked and play becomes played. This rule covers most verbs, making it simple to talk about what you did. But not all verbs follow this pattern. Irregular verbs have unique past forms that you need to memorize, like go changing to went or have becoming had. These are common in everyday English, so practice is key. Here's an example. He visited his grandparents last weekend. This sentence uses the past simple to show that the visit happened and finished in the past. You can use this tense to talk about family gatherings, trips, or any completed activity. Notice how the verb visited clearly marks the action as finished. Compare the English sentence with its Turkish translation to see how the meaning is expressed in both languages. The past simple is perfect for telling stories, sharing memories, or describing things you did when you were younger. It helps you connect with others by talking about your experiences. So, whenever you want to talk about something that happened and finished in the past, remember to use the past simple tense. It's your key to sharing your history and experiences in English. Next, the future simple. Talk about what will happen. Use will plus base verb. I will go, she will see. For promises, predictions, or quick decisions, I'll get it. I think it will rain tomorrow. Example, we will travel to Italy next year. Turkish translation is on screen. That's future simple. Simple and clear. Now let's explore the present perfect tense, a unique way to connect actions from the past to the present moment. This tense is all about showing how something that happened before still matters or has an effect right now. It's not just about when something happened, but about its impact on today. Think of it as a bridge between your past experiences and your current life. We use the present perfect for experiences or results that are important in the present. For example, when you say, I have finished my homework, you're not just talking about the past. You're saying that your homework is done now, and that matters at this moment. The structure is simple. Use have or has, followed by the past participle of the verb. For regular verbs, the past participle ends in ed, like worked or played. Irregular verbs have unique forms, such as gone or eaten. Here's another example. I have been to Paris. This sentence tells us about an experience you've had at some point in your life, and it's still relevant to who you are now. Notice that we don't mention exactly when the experience happened. The specific time isn't important. The focus is on the fact that the experience exists and is meaningful. You can see the Turkish translation on the screen, which helps you understand how the present perfect is used in both languages. The present perfect tense is all about showing how the past affects the present. It's a powerful tool for expressing experiences, changes, and results that matter now. That's our fifth tense. That's all 5 tenses: present simple, present continuous, past simple, future simple, and present perfect. Practice by making your own sentences and share them in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more English tips.